Uttar Pradesh, a land where mythology breathes through the morning mist, where every riverbank whispers a mantra, and where faith has shaped civilization for thousands of years. As the first rays of sunlight touch the sacred Ganga in Varanasi, the golden spire of Kashi Vishwanath rises above the ancient city like a flame of eternity. Bells echo softly through the dawn, priests chant timeless hymns, and the river glows as if carrying the prayers of millions towards the heavens. In Ayodhya, the birthplace of Lord Rama awakens under a saffron sky. The grand temple stands not merely as stone and sculpture, but as a symbol of devotion carried across centuries. Flags flutter in the gentle breeze, and pilgrims walk slowly with folded hands, their footsteps guided by stories told by their ancestors. On a nearby hill, Hanumangarhi watches over the sacred city, as if the mighty devotee himself still guards the name of Rama. Traveling westward into the heart of Braj, Vrindavan and Mathura pulse with divine love. At Krishna Janmabhoomi, the air vibrates with bhajans celebrating the birth of the playful Lord. In Banki Bihari temple, curtains open and close in rhythmic devotion, revealing a glimpse of eyes that devotees believe follow their every movement. Prem Mandir glows like a palace of light at night, its marble walls narrating stories of Radha and Krishna in luminous color. Inside Radha Raman temple, oil lamps flicker gently against ancient walls where centuries of uninterrupted worship continue in quiet reverence. The elegance of ISKCON rises in white marble symmetry, where chants of Hare Krishna float into the sky, blending with the calls of peacocks in temple gardens. At Sri Ranganath Ji Mandir, towering gopurams remind us that devotion knows no regional boundary. North and South India united through sacred architecture and shared faith. Beyond the cities, devotion climbs hills and crosses rivers. In Vindhyachal, pilgrims ascend toward Ma Vindhyavasini, their red flags dancing against the wind as sunlight pours over the temple dome. In Saharanpur, Shakumbhari Devi becomes the heartbeat of Navratri, where thousands gather in waves of crimson devotion. In quiet countryside shrines like Belon Devi and Sheetala Devi temples, village bells ring softly, reminding us that faith lives not only in grandeur but in simplicity. Back in Varanasi, Sankat Mochan temple hums with deep devotion to Hanuman, where offerings of sweets carry whispers of hope and courage. At Tulsi Manas temple, the verses of Ramcharitmanas seem to linger in the monsoon air as rain washes marble floors and stories echo in every corridor. The narrow lanes leading to Vishalakshi temple burst with marigold flowers and vibrant life, while nearby Durga Kund reflects temple lights upon sacred waters as evening aarti flames shimmer against the darkening sky. In Prayagraj, where sacred rivers meet, Mankameshwar temple stands quietly near the Yamuna, its bells resonating through morning fog. Not far away, Alopi Shankari holds a mystery, a sacred presence without a visible idol, reminding devotees that divinity is sometimes beyond form. In Sarnath, the calm presence of Moolgandha Kuti Vihar carries echoes of Buddha's first sermon, a reminder that Uttar Pradesh is not only the land of Hindu devotion but also the cradle of spiritual awakening for the world. Gorakhpur's Gorakhnath temple reflects the yogic tradition, discipline, meditation, inner awakening, as monks walk across vast courtyards beneath open skies. In Mathura, Dwarkadhish temple bursts into celebration during Janmashtami, lamps illuminating joyous faces as flowers rain from above. At Baldev Dauji temple, stories of brotherhood and strength echo through ancient stone walls. Kanak Bhavan in Ayodhya glows like a royal chamber, adorned with golden idols of Rama and Sita, symbolizing divine love and righteousness. Nageshwar Nach temple rises beside the Sarayu river, its reflection shimmering gently in the water as dawn disperses mist. In Kanpur,
JK Temple's modern marble elegance stands as a testament to living faith adapting through time. Deep within forested sanctuaries like Shivdwar and Naimisharanya's Shringanari temple, sunlight filters through ancient trees. Here, sages once meditated, scriptures were recited, and the silence itself feels sacred. The wind carries not noise, but memory of rituals performed for generations, memory of prayers spoken in whispers and in cries. As night falls across Uttar Pradesh, temple lights begin to glow one by one, like constellations upon the earth. From the ghats of Varanasi to the forests of Naimisharanya, from Ayodhya's devotion to Vrindavan's divine love, these temples are not relics of the past, they are living sanctuaries. They breathe with the footsteps of pilgrims, the rhythm of drums, the fragrance of incense, and the eternal call of faith. This is Uttar Pradesh, where every sunrise is a blessing, every bell a heartbeat, and every temple a doorway between the human and the divine.